you guys want to learn how to make chicken quesadilla, watch this video. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications. Hey guys, and welcome to Chef Shan Cooking Show. Today I'm going to tell you how to make delicious quesadilla in my style. Anyway, let's get on with the video. The ingredients for the quesadilla seasoning are 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon or to taste salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of red crushed chili powder. Now we're going to put all of these ingredients into this bowl and mix it. I'm going to mix it up, and you can use this for any other taco recipe or Mexican. The ingredients of the chicken is 2 pounds of chicken, 2 tablespoons of quesadilla seasoning which we made before, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Now we're going to put some water into the bowl, these 3 ingredients into the bowl, and the chicken into this bowl. After mixing it, it will look like this. Now I'm going to cover it and then leave it in the fridge for 1 hour. Meanwhile that the chicken is in the fridge, I'm going to make the sauce. The ingredients for the quesadilla sauce is 1 cup of mayo, 2 teaspoons of minced pickled jalapeno, 2 teaspoons of pickled jalapeno juice, 4 pinch of sugar, and half teaspoon of cumin powder. It should look like this. The other ingredients are 1 cup of chopped green bell pepper, 1 cup of chopped red bell pepper, 1 cup of chopped onion, 1 cup of shredded cheese or 2 cheese slices, and some tortillas. Now we're going to put some oils onto it. And then we're going to put the chicken on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Now the chicken is done and it should look like that. Now we're going to shred the chicken. Now we're going to spray some oils onto it. Then we're going to put a tortilla onto it. Then the sauce. Spread it onto it. Cook it until both sides are golden. Now we're going to cut it into triangle shapes. Now the delicious chicken quesadilla is ready. Now the chicken quesadilla is ready, it's time to taste it. It's so delicious. I hope you guys try this recipe at home, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye! Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and also hit the bell notification so you'll never miss out on any videos.